Hi everyone, so let's take a look at HelloFresh meal kit. So in this box we got 6 meals and we got meal card that explains to you what you're about to make, all step by step, all of the ingredients, how long it will take. Perfect. So let's start with tacos. Let's see what's in this package. It all comes prepared, perfect portions for your meal. Scallions, sauce and spice, tortillas, and we got 12 of them, 6 in each pack. Cheesy, more cheese. Long green pepper, and more pepper, more sauce, and red pepper crema, and black beans, and meat. But you can also adjust and modify things if you want ground beef or ground turkey. Let's get to it. So on this card you got picture of obviously what you're about to make, got all the ingredients and how much of what you got in here, a little bit of information about time and calories, and you can always save these cards for your next meal. Now you know what you need, how much of what when you go shopping. So this is a perfect recipe card to keep for later, and then you're gonna be a pro. Step number 1, wash and dry produce. Next, as still part of our first step, heat a drizzle of oil in a large, preferably non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add beef or turkey, seasoned with salt and pepper. Cook, breaking up the meat into pieces until browned and cooked through about 4 to 6 minutes. Let's get to it. We got beef here. Let's throw it in here. Here's an interesting point. If you have extra minutes, try your tortillas in a hot dry pan for a minute or 2 minutes and add smoky first kiss flavor. So for step 2, cook the greens. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to make pepper softer. But what I did, I had a little bit of juice from beef, so I just added 2 pepper. Step 3, while green pepper is cooking, drain and rinse beans. Once green pepper is softened, stir in scallion whites and 2 teaspoons of Southwest Spice Blend. After we added beans, we need to make this paste. We got water in this paste. Finish and serve. Sprinkle bean filling with cheddar and Mexican cheese blend. Cover pan until the cheese melts, about a minute or 2. Divide tortillas between plates and fill with bean filling, smoky red pepper crema, and scallion greens. And enjoy! Taste test. good. I'm not a big fan of beans, but the blend with pepper and beef, delicious.